Hello everyone, welcome back to Garden Ideas. In this video, we will learn how to grow tomatoes. Also, I will share what type of fertilizer exactly we have to give so that our plant can give maximum number of tomatoes. Here you can see the definite example. Also, we will learn different type of techniques so that we can get maximum number of tomatoes on a single plant with lots of harvesting. To grow tomatoes, we have to take few tomatoes from our kitchen. It's free and we can grow as many as plant we want because we will get lots of seeds in a single tomato. Now you can directly grow slices or you can just take out the seed and eat the slice out. Just remember to cover your slice with soil and add water. You can also grow tomato from seeds. Just buy a high quality seeds which can also provide you the high quality yield. We generally have two type of varieties, that is circle and oval shape. Soil mixture for your tomato seedling will be nearly 60% soil and 40% of vermicompost. Now take a small bucket with drainage hole, cover it with newspaper so that no extra soil come out. Now fill it with soil and then we can grow our tomato seeds. To get multiple varieties of tomatoes, we can always grow multiple varieties of seeds. Make sure to grow more than 10 to 20 seeds. This will ensure that you have enough amount of tomato seedlings. Make sure to tag your tomato seedling so that you can know in future. Now cover your tomato seedling with a little bit amount of soil and spray so that they can start growing. You can also grow your tomato plant in tomato seedling tray. This will make sure that a single seed is growing in its place and it is very easy to take out and grow it in a separate pot. Make sure to water thoroughly to your seedling tray and also maintain the moisture as seedling tray does not hold water for longer period of time. After 8 to 12 days, you will see that your small tomato seedling will grow and now it's time to transplant them in new pot. Remember to select only the healthiest one as healthiest one will grow very fast. Now with the help of any gardening tool, you can take out your plant and easily you can grow them in bigger pots. Remember to add water after transplantation of this small seedling. This will make sure that your plant will grow very fast and your roots will not get dry. To grow healthy tomato with lots of harvesting like this, we have to give a proper nutrition to our plant. Always remember when it's flowering, we have to give lots of fertilizer so that it can convert into our fruiting. Fertilizer for your tomato plant. Generally, tomato plant require high amount of nutrition from the soil. On day by day of growing itself, they require high amount of micro and macronutrients. For this, we have to give all the type of fertilizer which we have. It is good to have multiple organic type of fertilizer in our collection so that we can mix them all and give it to our tomato plant. For example, humic acid, bone meal, neem khali, and many other fertilizers. What all fertilizer I give to my tomato plant, I will be mentioning this in description, so make sure that you check out the description for the list of fertilizers. At the time of flowering, we always have to give a little bit amount of liquid fertilizer. In this, we can give 10 ml of bioenzyme in 1 liter of water. This will make sure that your plant get enough amount of fruiting and flowering. The two conditions which will make sure that you get high amount of harvesting from tomato plant, that is the seedling quality, and the second one is the soil quality. Firstly, you have to take a good quality seedling if you want tomato harvesting, and you will get easily within 70 days a good quality of harvest. So the best quality of soil will be nearly 60% of the normal garden topsoil and 40% of our vermicompost. And don't forget to give our mixed fertilizer, which you can find it in the description. And now we have to grow our tomato seedling. Remember to grow your tomato seedling nearly 4 to 5 inches deep, as the stem will also grow the roots. After growing your seedling, you have to add water to your soil mix. This will make sure that your tomato plant start growing and maintain the moisture in the soil. Also remember to keep your tomato plant in full day of sunlight. And here you can see I have grown so many of vegetables. You can like this video and also do comment that how many vegetables you have grown. The most important point is tomato plant sucker. We have to remove or we don't have to remove. Let's discuss on this point. Generally, the tomato plant sucker occurs only when the tomato plant is at its growing stage. Generally, it is said that tomato plant sucker generally takes much part of the energy from the plant and does not allow much of the flowering to grow. So it is better to remove them just by plucking them from its mother plant. This will reduce the number of branches from the plant and plant will concentrate its growth on the top part of the area. And the second option is to not to remove these sucker branches and let your plant grow just as wild plant. In this condition, you will feel that your plant is getting so much wild and it also will look much more healthier. So it's totally depend on you that you have to remove the sucker branches or not. Your plant will get the same number of amount of tomatoes from it. But we have to take extra care of our tomato plant, as sucker branches will take much part of the nutrients from the mother main plant, or we can say the main stem, and they will be also producing the flower. So we have to take care of our plant and we have to provide extra nutrients, that is organic compost. Providing support to our tomato plant. In this, we have to support our tomato plant as tomato stem does not have any rigidness in nature. It means you have to provide any support in any form. Just tie a stick near to it to support them, or just do same as I do. For this, you have to take 3 sticks. Now place all the 3 sticks in either side of the pot. Remember that your tomato plant must be in between of these 3 sticks. Place them tightly. Now take a thread and wrap your thread all over this pot. Remember that your plant must be in between. Within few days, you will observe that your tomato plant is getting much more bigger and your stick concept is very fine and your branches are also healthy. Supporting tomato branches is very important as tomato they grow very heavy and the branch can break down. Just by giving a little support, your tomato plant will produce maximum number of tomatoes. Fertilizer for your tomato plant. The best time to give tomato plant fertilizer is when it is on its full bloom. Means you have to maintain the soil nutrition value higher as your tomato plant is continuously growing and soon it will be producing maximum number of tomatoes. So try to maintain the nutritional value in this soil as it is in container, and in container we have limited amount of fertilizers. My tomato plant is producing lots of tomatoes just by following 3 steps, that is providing good quality of soil, providing good quality of fertilizer, and the third is providing right amount of water to our tomato plant, as giving water is very important and maintaining moisture is also very important as tomato plant require lots of water. After following all the steps, now it's time to harvest our tomato plant. Here you can see we have got so many green and red tomatoes. The best part is that we have to harvest red colored tomatoes every day. Don't wait for all the tomatoes to get turned into red, as the first red color one will get ripen, or if they get old they will not taste best as the taste will get degrade. Finally, the most important point, sunlight for your tomato plant. Your tomato plant generally require 4 to 6 hours of sunlight to get good bloom and maximum number of tomatoes. Sunlight play very important role in performing of your tomato plant growth. That is, how many tomato you will get will directly correlate with how many hours of sunlight you are giving to your plant. Now, as told earlier, we have to harvest the red colored tomatoes so that we can get the best out of them. How to get maximum number of harvest? We have to select more than 5 to 10 plants, and we have to select a bigger size pot so that we can grow multiple plant in a single pot, and then we can continuously get harvest for nearly 3 to 4 times. And this harvesting will last for nearly 2 to 3 months, as we will plant small seedling just nearby the mature tomato plant, and they will grow very fast and we can get continuously harvest. This is the result of growing tomato. We are getting continuously day by day many more tomatoes, and we can harvest them for nearly 1 to 2 months. I've done more than 3 to 4 times of harvesting, and they are continuously giving us tomatoes and tomatoes. Tomato growing season. Tomato plant generally grow in winter type of climate, that is cooler type of climate, as the leaves get generally burned out with harsh sunlight. Also, they require high amount of sunlight, so it's better to grow them in winter season, the best season which we can get for growing tomato plants. We are on the third harvesting, and in this harvesting we have got so many of the tomatoes. You can use scissor to harvest your tomato plant. This will make your harvesting very easy, and also the branches will not get damaged. With lots of love and lots of tomato harvesting, I'm just saying you goodbye. If you love this video, please do like and subscribe my channel and stay connected. Thanks for watching, and do share this video with your family and friends so that they can also grow your tomato plants.